it's Michelle from Scrap Secrets and welcome to a hop video. This one is a hashtag hop, so please click on the hashtag in the description. On YouTube, you can type it in as well. And also, don't forget to also use that hashtag over on Instagram because there are more projects over there. And the more projects and videos you comment on, the greater your chances are of winning some amazing prizes, which we'll talk about as we go through the video. So we are using the July kit products. We are using the 2 stamp sets as well as one of the stencils from the kit. The August kit is actually now available. It was available last night at midnight, and they are both amazing. But this is to also promote the Create and Inkspire website, which if you guys don't know what it is, it's the brainchild of Courtney Krieber, and she is absolutely amazing, super talented, and such a cheerleader for the entire crafting community. And we are doing these videos to help promote her site as well as all the products that she has to offer because she is such a cheerleader for everyone. So I am creating 2 cards today on black cardstock and using Distress Oxides because I love the way that Distress Oxides show up on black cardstock. I think they look neon and they're very, very bold. So we're going to be using the floral images, 3 of them, from the stamp set that comes with the kit, the July kit. And we are using pine needles to ink up the stem of that. And then we are going to be using picked raspberry to ink up the floral part. We're also going to be using twisted citron and wilted violet, as well as ripe persimmon for the sentiment, and then squeezed lemonade, and then a combination of the twisted citron and pine needles for the 3rd floral. So we're just going to be inking up pieces of the stamp and stamping them. So this took me a little while to do because I didn't do any masking, which you can do, but these images are pretty easy to, kind of just wipe off the very bottom and just get the part that you want done. So while you're watching me do this, I'm going to talk to you a little bit about Create and Inkspire. So it's an online publication that does videos, there are classes, there are contests, there are blog posts, there's an interactive part where you can post your projects and people can comment on them. There are so many things going on over there. It's amazing. And each month there is a whole new set of content that comes out. And you can also sign up to be a content creator. I was a content creator for the August issue, which is out right now. And it was amazing. I got to create a video that's exclusive to Create and Inkspire. So if you, just so happen to want to check out one of my videos doing another fun fold card that I've never done on my channel, please go over and check it out. It is $3.99 per month. And we are actually giving away kits and memberships. So please comment and like the videos that are in this hashtag hop over on Instagram or on YouTube, and then go over to Instagram and check out the hashtag over there. It's the exact same hashtag. You'll want to type it into Instagram. I'll also link some of the Instagram participants below in the more information section, so you can just head over to one of theirs, click on that hashtag, and you'll be able to get everybody's that's included in there. So Create and Inkspire also does a kit every single month. It was released yesterday, and it is absolutely adorable. If you go over to my Scrap Secrets page, I will leave a link below, and I will also put it on my Instagram page promoting the kit. It is absolutely adorable. This month there is an additional paper pack as well as a additional stamp set that's not included in the kit, so add-ons. So anyway, to be entered into the giveaway, please like and comment on all of the Instagram posts, on all of the YouTube videos. It will give you more chances to win. Certain channels are giving out an entire kit, so certain people bought an additional kit and are going to supply that. Other people donated money, and we pooled that all together, and we are going to do kits and memberships. So you guys are going to be able to get a chance to win a membership so you can check out what Create and Inspire is all about and hopefully become a member of our amazing community. So as a thank you for all of you guys and your support for all of this, and to show Courtney how much we love her and appreciate her and the community, we are giving back and doing this. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video and enjoy the videos on the hop. So I will stop talking about the giveaway now. If you guys have any questions, please definitely feel free to reach out to me though. So now we are going to stamp up the Hello Friend sentiment from that second stamp set. So there's a sentiment stamp set in this release, as well as the floral images. There are also 2 stencils that are included, which are one on the top is clouds and the bottom is grass. And there you go, there's the card. And then the other one is a floral one that you'll see me use later. Now, I decided you could take that card one step further and you can actually use Distress Oxides to paint the image. You see the image at the top? I did that one first just to test it out and see how it would look. I did not color in all the images, but I wanted to show you how they look. And because you're using water, just very, very little, because this is not watercolor paper, it oxidizes when it's dry and it becomes a chalky look, and I love the way it looked. I just didn't have time to color all the florals. I may go back and do that, and I love the way it turned out. So now we're going to do the second card, and here is the other stencil that I was talking about. So we used Twisted Citron, I believe that is Salty Ocean, Wilted Violet, and then Picked Raspberry. Yep, Salty Ocean. And I put a oval down that is from a Honeybee mask stencil set, and I am just going over the stencil at the bottom, and then I'm actually going to flip it over and move it up to the top, so we're going to have like a repeating pattern but opposite, which you'll see in a minute. Now I'm just going back and forth blending those colors because I wasn't sure how much of each color I wanted, so just kind of going back and overlapping, and it's going to create a second color when you overlap each one. So you see I have those colors down, and look at how vibrant they are. They're so pretty. So I decided I didn't want to waste this, and I took the water, and then I found a piece of scrap cardstock that I had lying on my desk and put the stencil face down on it and created a print. I love doing this. So this is another way that you can stretch your supplies and you'll have like a soft watercolor looking background. So look at how pretty that is. So you can see the outlines. So it's a reverse stencil. So I'm just cleaning that off, going to take the washi tape off of that and then bring the card back and flip it over and put the stencil at the top. I thought I was going to do it upside down, and then I decided, nope, I'm actually going to do it the same side, use it so the vines are going, or the flowers, or whatever you want to call them, are going up, but I flipped the stencil over so that the images are actually backwards from where they were before. And we're going to go in the same order: the Twisted Citron, the Salty Ocean, the Wilted Violet, and then the Picked Raspberry. So we're going to use those colors, and I just think it came out so nice. I loved the way this looked. If you saw, I used this stencil in another card, and I kind of did the reverse. I did the stencil in black and I did a sunset. So now I just decided I liked it this way, with the florals having colors to them and then having the card base be black, because these Distress Oxides are so vibrant on them. So once you see me take it off, I'm actually going to do the same thing that I did last time, spray it with water onto a scrap piece of paper. So now I have 2 prints. So this one was just a piece of copy paper, and because it was so thin, it really warped. You can see it there, but I can still use it for something. So I'm going to clean the stencil off and put it off to the side. I'm taking the mask off, and then we're going to use 2 more sentiments from the stamp set, the sentiment set. Thank you. Thankful for you, my friend. That's what I did. And then I am going, sorry, I couldn't remember what it says. I just did it a couple hours ago, but I can't remember what things say. Oh, my brain is pretty fried from work. So I am going to be using MFT's Sweet Tooth Pigment Ink. And the first time I stamp it down, I think I pressed a little bit too hard because you can see, look at how dark the ink is on the bottom. So I just took a scrap piece of paper from that copy paper and stamped it out on that because I had too much on there. And then I think there was a little bit of water on there, so I kind of just wiped it off and tried to stamp it a little bit lighter, because pigment ink is, if you press too hard, it just kind of smushes out and you don't get a nice impression. So now I'm going to push it down a couple times. I don't want to push it again because you'll smush the pigment ink. So I just wanted to tap the pigment ink on there and then kind of just tap the top of the stamping tool, the Stamp Perfect, just to get that image on there. So I think that it came out really nice. But then I decided that I was going to take my white gel pen and go around the oval. And for some reason, it didn't turn out to be an oval. So I'm not thrilled with the way the white dash lines came out. It would have been better if I actually did an oval, but it is what it is. It's handmade and it's going around. Right there I realized, well, that's not exactly an oval, and I probably should have waited for the ink to dry, but I'm too lazy for that, and then put the oval back on and then traced around it. But what can I say? So there are the two cards that I did. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and learned something new. I hope that you also comment on everybody's videos and check out Create and Inkspire. Thank you, Courtney, for everything, and thank you guys so much for watching and commenting. I will see you guys again real soon in another video.